Right from the very beginning upon entering the school, I felt like joining a family. The last 2 years have been unlike anything we have experienced in education. It has been new for all of us. Congratulations to the class of 2022. Let's give them a big applaud.
И несмотря на то, что
улыбаемся, улыбаемся. Не плачь. Радуемся.
Раз, два, три,
my fellow classmates, I'm sure you will all succeed in any path you choose. Just stay happy and go to your dreams. I will miss you all. The past 11 years have been a blast.
Ак жол жогоруда айтып кеткендей ушунчалык бир мен абдан кубанып атам. Биздин Кыргызстандан тарбия алган балдар бүгүнкү күндө ушунчалык жетишкендикке жетип, бир эле эмес, бир нече мамлекеттин жогорку окуу жайларына тапшырып өткөндөрү мен үчүн абдан кубанычтуу болуп атат. Силердин келечегиңер кең, ар бириңердин басып өткөн жолуңарда дайыма жашыл свет күйүп турсун, ар дайым ачык болсун жолуңар, асманыңар ачык болсун, сапарыңар байсалдуу болсун. Ал эми бизге ата-энелер мындан аркы балдарыбыздын келечегине, урматына, мындан аркы жолдорун ачык болуп, чоң жетишкендиктерине жетүүсүнө бизге дагы чыдамдуу болуп керек.
So you advise them, you are the ones who actually gave them sound advices, yeah? You gave them knowledge, and you possibly know more about them than we do. Because sometimes parents, they don't know actually what every child is doing at school, yeah? And probably no one of them will tell. When I ask Alan, for example, what happened at school today, he would probably say, yeah, it's okay, nothing happened, you know? Or how is the school? He would probably say, just, it's okay, you know? So that's how they are. So you are truly the best. Thank you so much. We parents actually wish you the best because you are really the best. We're sure that the aim of every teacher present today is to raise more than one generation of wonderful children that we and the country could be proud of. So really, thank you so much for your hard work.
My last word to this guy is, the sky is not your limit. The limit is when you stop. You need to push up, you need to make it happen for yourself, for your family, and for your country. And I hope that you guys will always come over to visit. I'm going to be here, and I will miss you guys so much.
You too, mister. Thank you.
Thank you. They are like children to me, my little brothers and sisters, and I will miss them. I wish them all the best. I'm so proud of all of them, and I'm very excited to see what they do next in their lives. Congratulations.